In the tumultuous 16th century, a fervent group of Christians, known as the Anabaptists, emerged from the ashes of the Reformation. Born of discontent with the established Catholic Church, they sought a deeper, more personal relationship with God. The Anabaptists, led by men like Conrad Grebel, Felix Manz, and Menno Simons, advocated for adult baptism, rejecting the practice of infant baptism prevalent in the Church. Their beliefs were deemed heretical, and they faced fierce opposition from both the Catholic Church and the Lutheran and Calvinist reformers. The year was 1525, in the city of Zürich, Switzerland. Grebel, Manz, and a small group of followers gathered in a secret location, marking the first Anabaptist baptism. This act was a defiant statement against the established order, and the group was immediately excommunicated. The Anabaptists' radical beliefs and practices were met with overwhelming hostility. They were accused of sedition, blasphemy, and even cannibalism due to their interpretation of the Eucharist. In Zürich, Manz was drowned in the Limmat River for his refusal to recant his beliefs. Despite the persecution, the Anabaptist movement continued to spread. Simons, a former Catholic priest, emerged as a leading figure in the Netherlands. He advocated for non-resistance, pacifism, and the separation of church and state, principles that would come to define the Mennonite and Amish denominations. The Anabaptists faced persecution across Europe, with thousands being executed or banished. Yet, they remained steadfast in their beliefs, their faith a testament to the human spirit's resilience in the face of adversity. The Anabaptist movement, though often overlooked in history, played a significant role in shaping modern Christianity. Their radical reformation paved the way for a more democratic, personal, and pacifist approach to faith, leaving a lasting legacy that continues to inspire Christians today. In the end, the Anabaptists' tale is one of faith, courage, and perseverance. They dared to challenge the status quo, paying a heavy price for their convictions. Yet, their legacy lives on, a reminder of the power of individual faith and the indomitable spirit of those who seek a deeper connection with the divine.